Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the Harmony Audio Speaker Upgrade Package specifically designed for the Toyota Corolla models from 2003 to 2008. This set, comprising the HA-R65 and HA-R69 speakers alongside the HA-72810 factory speaker replacement harness, promises a significant enhancement over the stock audio system. Starting with the installation process, the inclusion of the HA-72810 harnesses is a lifesaver. These harnesses are designed for a direct plug-and-play connection, which means you don't need to cut into the factory wiring of your Corolla. This not only makes the installation process smoother and faster but also preserves the integrity of your vehicle's original electrical setup. Moving on to the speakers themselves, the HA-R65, a pair of 6.5-inch speakers, come with a power handling capacity of up to 300 watts peak and 100 watts RMS. What stands out is their sensitivity rating of 90 dB, combined with a frequency response that stretches from 40 Hz to 20 kHz. These specifications suggest that the speakers can handle a wide range of sounds, from deep basses to high trebles, ensuring clear and crisp audio output. The larger HA-R69 speakers are a set of 6x9-inch, three-way speakers with even more impressive specs. They boast a peak power of 450 watts and an RMS of 150 watts. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.